Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping at the Campbell Cove RV Resort in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Today we're going to be making some chicken, and we've got cashews, honey, squeezed ginger, minced garlic, low sodium soy sauce, gochujang, green beans, and some chicken. The first thing we're going to do is chop up our green beans and get our chicken defrosting a little bit. We are going to put that on a high, and we are just going to let that start cooking. So we are going to start with some honey, 1/3 of a cup of that, and 1/4 of a cup of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of squeezed ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's check on our chicken. Now our chicken is almost done, so we will dump in that sauce. Now in this recipe, the green beans are going to remain a little crunchy. Our chicken has reached 165 degrees, so we will just plate some of it up. Let's go eat. Well, thank you very much for watching us make this Cashew Cove chicken. We hope you come check out Lake Havasu and try out this recipe. It is so delicious. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.